We're here on the $Yen 15-minute time frame, and this is an advanced pattern we have, and it looks something like this. And I'm actually using it for trend continuation. So we had a break below the structure level, we had a pullback, we had another break below, and we're looking for a pullback, and then we're looking for a continuation down. Now I have only just got in this trade, so let's have a look where will stops go. There. And why then am I also, I'm not just looking for it, so trend continuation on the 15, I'm also looking at higher time frame coming a little bit lower as well. Let me do that again, that's not the dailies. Okay, so here on the daily time frame, we have come in to the structure level right here. You can see we've tested that area now 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's drop to the 240. Here on the 240, you can see then that we've violated this internal level. We have also come down here on the 240 to this level. Let's drop to the 60. Okay, here on the 60. On the 60 we have not come down to this lower level. As you can see, that hasn't been tested. I do believe we can get down there. We do have an advanced pattern here as well. We do have a Gartley pattern looking like this. Completion down here somewhere at the 127. Look at that, spot on. So if I believe that the market can come lower, then I can drop to the 15, and if I highlight just this area here, you can see we had a test, a test, a test, and then we broke below it. So as we go back to the 15, and I showed you that trend continuation, and I will just redraw this out. So from this leg here, we had this, we violated that structure level, we pulled back, we saw a new low, violating all of this structure level, and now we're seeing a pull back. Now anywhere in this zone is the outside return, so this is technically where we can look for the short. And we actually have a bat and a Gartley pattern here, so let's just draw this out properly. So the bat is there. And then we have the Gartley, which is the one really you want to pay attention to. The B leg is the highest point. We'll make this one gold and a pullback, and then this is completing somewhere there like this. So if I bring back on the orders, not just playing for a retest of the lows, playing for that 127. We reposition this, okay. So that fib needs to come down a little bit to there. Okay, I'm just looking at the completion of the Gartley pattern. Let's just go out to the 60, let's look at structure. Okay. Okay, so I've repositioned that now to just above that 127 fib. It does mean then, in terms of the risk and reward, and position this correctly. We're looking at 16 for 26. Okay, currently 14 pips up. You can see we've had quite a nice rejection from that zone. We've got around, well, we're just over halfway here now to those potential targets. Okay, we're getting close to targets now. We've just rallied down to within a couple of pips here of those targets. Let's just zoom in a little bit, bring this up, take a look at this. So it looks as though we're 1 pip from targets here, so I'm going to go ahead here and roll a few pips past break even. Last thing we want is for this thing just to turn and stop us out, because we are retesting the structure low here. This is not going to be worth as much as I thought it was. I don't know why that is. I had 27 there, but this is going to be worth 26. Right, okay, it looks as though we've got to spike past our entry here in order to get that, so I'll pause it and come back when hopefully we've hit targets. And we're back. We have just spiked through, currently 25 pips up. Need to go maybe another pip, half a pip, something like that for this trade to take. Looking like this is going to be for 26 pips. There we go. Nicely done. So lovely trade there for 26. And we'll now be keeping an eye on this bigger Gartley pattern to see if we can get an entry there for a long opportunity.